everyone, look what I have. A big box just been delivered by UPS, guys. It's a Christmas countdown box from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I'm going to open it right now. There. Let's see what we have. Yeah. Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025. The only way to get it out, I think, is to shake it out. Ooh, there we go. Wow, nice. Okay, how shall we open this? Okay. It's a nice card from Jenny. Okay, that's what she says. Dear quilting friend, there's something truly magical about this time of the year. Not yet, in December. I find myself reflecting on all the ways quilting connects us, through fabric, through memories, and through moments shared even from afar. Whether you are traveling to see loved ones or staying wrapped in the comfort of home, you're in my heart with every stitch of the season. Tucked inside this box are 25 merry little surprises, each one handpicked with care, creativity, and a whole lot of love. Whether you unwrap them first thing in the morning or save them for quiet evenings by the glow of your sewing machine, glow of our sewing machines, I hope each gift brings a smile and a few peaceful moments doing something you love. You are such a special part of the Missouri Star family, and I'm so grateful to share this season with you. Here's to finding beauty in the little things, magic in the making, and joy in every stitch. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and yours. Love, Jenny. Wow, 25 of these nice things. So, right. Number 2. Trying to figure out what's in it. Something. Ooh, scissors. But it's soft to be scissors, I don't know. Next one. Number 16. I don't know how I will be able to hold it unopened till December. Some sort of tool as well. Number 1. Oh, this feels like fabric. This is number 23. This feels like a book, magazine. Number, oh no, it's open. Can I peek? There's no number for it. Oh. Shall we open it? Just a sneak peek. I can see it says pillow. Right, I will need to check which number is missing. Number 4. That feels like a ruler. Very hard. Number 20. Again, feels like fabric. Oh dear. Ooh. I think this is a folder for the projects. It's number 7. Number 8. Feels like a book, but can be a calendar. Maybe. Number 18. Wow, that's a lot. I can't even guess what can be in there. It's alright, I have viewers here. Number 12. Feels some sort of like a bag case. I can see the shape. Wow. 21. Something. Can't tell. Ooh. 13. No, it's not open, so I won't open it. some kind of tool. Number 13. Number 9. Little box. Nothing shaking in it. No. Ooh, very nice box. There's something in it. Ooh, don't know. And the number 19 on it. Oh, something tiny. Number 11. Don't know. We'll see. Ah, this feels quite small and quite heavy. Could it be a big bar of chocolate? Oh, it is bendy. We'll see. Number 3. Let's be square. Don't know. Something nice, I'm sure. Number 17. Some tool probably as well. Very rattly. I hope it's all in one piece. Can you hear that? Jingle bells! A whole box of them. What number was it, did I say? 14. Number 24. Feels like empty box. Is it a special, something special for Christmas Eve? Because it's on 24th. Could it be a mug? Nice Christmassy mug. Number, where is the number? 15. Another rattling thing. Oh, that's a number 25. That's to be open on Christmas Day only. Oh God, please give me patience not to open all this earlier. That's a nice big box. Number 5. Something big. And the last one. Number 10. Well, there we go. Now, what am I going to do in November, all November? Just drooling over my precious. Well, please like and subscribe if you want to see what I have in these boxes, in this packaging. I will be opening them in December. Yeah. Please like and subscribe and hype the video. I would be very happy if you do that. And I will see you again in December when I will start opening all these packages. See you soon. Bye.